am so tired of the generic shit coming out of AI right now. I mean, you can practically smell it, all smooth and beige, like it could have been written by anyone about anything. And what gets me is that the women publishing it are sitting on like 20 or 30 years of hard-won experience. And then they hand all that to a chatbot, Claude, ChatGPT, Perplexity, whatever, and then they just post whatever comes back and toss out the one part that made them and that content worth reading or listening to in the first place. Now, don't get me wrong. I build AI tools. I love them. So this isn't me telling you to be scared of the machine, because the trouble really only starts when you feed it nothing of yourself and then act surprised your voice didn't survive the trip. The output is only ever as good as what you put in. So give it your real stories and the opinions you'd only say to a client with the door shut and thoughts you have at 4:00 in the morning. Do that, and the content that you get fed back is going to be sharper instead of blander. And then you get to actually hold on to the part that you know. So if you want to join a community where we give you information about how to create that unique voice, how to create the content, how to create the apps to really move your business forward, then join the Women's Technology Integration Collaborative. If you're a dude, then follow me on Substack. Links to both are below.